The open and spacious Dogwood floor plan offers downstairs master with a roomy walk-in closet and ceramic spa shower, double vanity and private water closet. A secondary bedroom with bath for guests is located downstairs, also on the opposite side of home. A study is conveniently located off the foyer, and the large kitchen has lots of cabinets, a pantry, breakfast bar, granite countertops and breakfast area. The family room includes a gas fireplace with marble. The upstairs has lots of room with 2 bedrooms, a loft and a large finished room over garage. Homes wired for RG6 coaxial cable for video and Cat5 voice and data. 82 home community with open space, a lake and nature trails, ball fields, tot lot and a wonderful pavilion with grills. Located minutes from York River State Park. 1 mile to 1 to 64 for easy commute. 10 minutes.